Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, tap on Emergency Contacts and then hit Add Contact. Finally, click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of them, hit this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and tap on Remove in the pop-up. If you wish to change placement of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner, adjust it, and tap on Save. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!